Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Today we're going to do a walking tour of Harvest Caye in Belize. This is the Norwegian Cruise Line private island. Very beautiful. It is a dockable island where you have a pier. You do not have to take any type of water taxi or shuttle over here. So when you come in to this beautiful location, you see the lovely misters here because it is warm. And then you basically have a few options. You can walk around the island, go to the excursion points, do any of the fun excursions that are on the island. You can go walk around and do some shops. You can grab some lunch at a restaurant, and you can also go to the beach or to the pool. One thing to keep in mind is your ship card does not work on the island for drinks or food. You have to pay for those. Just a heads up there so that you're aware of that, and obviously for the shops and everything like that. I'm not going to talk a bunch during this. I'm going to just let you wander around the island and look at things. I'll throw up some titles where we need them, and if I feel like I need to explain something, I will jump back on there. To your left over there, you're going to see some restrooms. There are other restrooms around the island, and let's go take a fun little tour of the beautiful Harvest Caye. All right, John back here. Wanted to walk you through this. So as you come out of the pool area, you can go check out this little wildlife experience. And this is really, really, really cool. They have a bunch of different things going on here. They have toucans and some other types of birds like macaws. As you're going to see here when we walk up, they have a butterfly exhibit, which is really, really cool. As you can see, come in here and you can see all these amazing, beautiful blue butterflies. You can touch them, you can hold them. You just, obviously have to be a little bit careful, but it's really, really beautiful. They have a lizard exhibit as you come out of here. It's just a really nice option of something to do to walk around the island a little bit. It just gives you a little bit more of an adventure feel. This is the lizard exhibit. Just so you can see that. Let's play a little game. See if you can find the lizard in the little lizard exhibit. But it's really fun. Very, very cool. And then when you come out of there, as you head back, we went back towards the pool, which is right next to it. This is the restaurant, which sits above the pool area. And you can see you're very close to the pool as well as the beach area, as I'm going to walk over here and show you the beach. So they're right next to each other. It's, it's not a giant island. It's pretty reasonable. But you can see large beach area, large pool area, really, really nice. That is it. We ordered a little bit of lunch. The food was great. The drinks are good. They're not crazy expensive. They're like similar to what they are on the ship, 13 to 15 bucks for drinks. Food was very good. It was all pretty reasonable. I think we spent 60 bucks for lunch for the three of us with drinks, which isn't bad. I think we got a good deal on the drinks, and only Meg and I had the drinks. Actually, it was 80 bucks. So 80 bucks. There you go. I just looked. So that is that. And then they just have like these other fun things around the outside of the island. And then, boom, you walk back out, you get on the ship, and we'll let you see a little bit of the sail away from the beautiful Harvest Caye here in Belize. Thanks so much for watching. We would love for you to like the video if you found it fun or helpful, and we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. We put out a brand new cruise video every single day. We do a live stream on Wednesdays. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cruising. Enjoy the sail away. Bye.